What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Galaxy S23 line photos, videos and the latest info revealed a few hours before the official launch. Previously we already shared the gleaming hands-on live look of the Samsung Galaxy S23 line. Now the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra have almost no more secrets. The smartphones leaked through the Samsung promotional visuals and videos. Today, Wednesday, February 1st, 2023. Samsung officially announces the new line of smartphones in its main range, the Galaxy S23. Over the past few months, numerous leaks have provided us with essential information on the technical specifications and design of three expected models. A few hours before their formal presentation by the South Korean brand, leaker OnePlus reveals even more. In a series of tweets, OnePlus posts photos and videos of the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra models, confirming their design. These are communication documents from Samsung, which explain certain features of the mobiles. For example, we have the video highlighting 3 protective glass of the smartphones, another focusing on the storage of the Galaxy S23, or even a focus on the main 200 megapixel photo sensor of the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. Several visuals also confirm that the Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with an S Pen stylus and that it natively has a slot to store it, like the Galaxy Note of the time. Samsung also insists on other elements, such as performance for gaming or the ease of switching to One UI while keeping all its data from another device. OnePlus even shared the technical sheets of 3 references, thus corroborating what we already know about them and consolidating the idea that Samsung will not change much with this generation. Note, however, that we will finally be entitled to a Qualcomm chip, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, instead of an Exynos SoC. The new visuals showcase the Galaxy S23 Ultra in phantom black color. The phone appears to be running retail mode, showcasing its new features. The marketing material on the table reveals the phone's 6.8 inches QHD Plus display, 200 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, 256 gigabytes, 512 GB storage, a 5000 mAh battery and the S Pen stylus. According to other indiscretions, the night mode of the Galaxy S23 Ultra also promises to be breathtaking. Samsung will emphasize this feature during the conference and its subsequent communication, and it would not be an exaggeration of the manufacturer. According to the several informed sources, we can't wait to get it in our hands to put it to the test ourselves. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.